Hey, in this video I will show you how much you can earn with 2captcha typing job. I see this search term on my channel analytics, and it's the first one, so I decided to make this short video. The most popular typing job service is 2captcha. I will leave this link in the description in case you want to try it. Alright, I register a new account. You can just use your Google or Facebook to authorize. Select, I'm a worker. You can also use this service as a customer if you are a developer and want to automatically bypass captchas. Okay, now you are on the dashboard. Click Start Work. They ask you to download the software, but we will do it later. Click Start Work, and now you should have the languages you can speak. But the most captchas you will get are in English. So after this, when you click Start Work, you will go to the training mode. It's pretty easy, there are only 16 training captchas. It won't take a long. After this, agree with the terms of service. And now you can start work. I solved 5 simple captchas and got 0.1 cents for this. They promise more rewards when you use an application. Download this software for Windows or Android. You can also add the bot to Telegram, but you will get less money for this. I downloaded it and installed. Then enter your client code here from the dashboard. And now let's get to work. I will solve captchas for 1 hour to show the real income. The most captchas I get are simple ones. It's very cheap. But sometimes I solve reCAPTCHAs or Microsoft captchas. And they pay more for this, up to 0.5 cents. Alright, after 1 hour I have some results. I solved more than 100 captchas, and I got little more than 5 cents. So with the typing job you can earn 5 cents per 1 hour. To get $100 you have to work like 2,000 hours. It's 83 days. I have to say that's not good. There are many ways to earn a lot more. For example, to make this video it took 2 hours, and I will get much more than 10 cents. You can withdraw money to crypto like USDT or Bitcoin Cash. The fastest way is BCH, and they really pay. But I don't know if it's worth it. Thanks for watching.